Good morning. This is cause number 2020-61949 in the interest of Anthony Duron Carr Jr. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Charmel Smith, and I'm the mother.
All right. And representing the state.
Luis Regla.
Court will note that Anthony Duron Carr Sr. is the non-custodial parent. Mr. Carr was personally served on August 23rd, 2021 at 4:13 p.m. at 2105 Ontario Street in Baytown, Harris County, Texas. He's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Mr. Regla?
That's correct, Judge.
He was given further notice of this court date and Zoom hearing by certified mail return receipt requested that was delivered on March 3rd, 2022 in Baytown, Texas. So we'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. I'll begin by calling the mother as a witness.
Okay.
And ma'am, you are Charmel Danique Smith, the mother of Anthony Duron Carr Jr. Is that correct?
Yes.
And do you remember when your child was born, both you and the father, Anthony Duron Carr Sr., actually signed an acknowledgement of paternity where he admitted he is biological father of your son? Do you recall that?
Yes.
Okay. And although the father used to be in prison, he has been out since at least the May of. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And now that he's out, you have no problem with being appointed a joint managing conservator together with the father, with you having the right to determine residence within Harris and surrounding counties. Is that correct?
Correct.
And there's no issue with the father getting a standard possession order for your son?
No, sir.
Right now, your son has Medicaid?
Yes, sir.
And although the father is out, we have no evidence of his income or that he's earning more than minimum wage. So going forward, we're requesting the court grant support based on minimum wage for your child. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And we don't have any other court orders in place against the father in this case. So for this court order, we're proposing to set it based on just your child being the father's only child. Is that correct?
Correct.
You would agree with the state that using guideline child support for minimum wage, the father should be ordered to pay you $217 child support beginning May 1st?
Yes, sir.
And the court should order this father to pay $57 a month for cash medical support also beginning May 1st?
Yes, sir.
From June of 2020 through today's court date, we also don't have proof of the father's income during that time period. Is that correct?
Correct.
So using minimum wage for just one child, retroactive child support would be $5,038, and we propose using $76 a month for the father to pay you back beginning May 1st. Would you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
The father has not given you any kind of money for child support or paid any of your household bills, any of those things since he's been out during the time period of June 2020 through today's court date?
No, sir.
At most, he bought Christmas or birthday gifts. Is that correct?
Correct.
And do you believe this court order is in the best interest of your child?
Yes, sir.
And are you asking the court to grant this default order against Mr. Carr?
Yes, sir.
And Judge, with that, I'll pass the witness.
All right. The court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you very much. Free
Thank
to
you,
go.
Judge. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
That's it for today. You can disconnect.